Welcome to our journey into the fascinating realm of woodworking, where creativity meets sustainability. In this space, we explore the art of transforming reclaimed materials into stunning home decor and functional items. Woodworking is not just a craft, it's a way to breathe new life into discarded treasures, telling stories through each unique piece created. Whether you are a seasoned artisan or a curious beginner, there's something incredibly rewarding about taking old wood and turning it into something beautiful and useful. This journey isn't just about the finished product, it's about the process, the skills you acquire, and the joy of creating with your own hands. As we explore deeper into this exciting endeavor, we'll uncover various project ideas that not only enhance your living space but also align with eco-friendly practices. Imagine crafting decorative wall art, restoring vintage furniture, or creating functional accessories that add charm to your home, all while minimizing waste and maximizing creativity. Each project represents an opportunity to express yourself, connect with your surroundings, and even generate income. So, grab your tools and let's explore the endless possibilities that await in the world of woodworking with reclaimed materials. As we embark on this creative woodworking journey together, we invite you to subscribe to our channel for daily inspiration and hands-on projects that will transform your home and ignite your passion for craftsmanship. Each day, we'll bring you a new video filled with tips, techniques, and innovative ideas that showcase the beauty of working with reclaimed materials. Your support through likes and shares not only helps us grow our community but also encourages us to continue creating content that resonates with you. Be sure to stay until the end of each video, where we'll share additional insights, project variations, and answers to your questions. Join us daily as we explore the art of woodworking, and let's create something extraordinary together. In today's world, the appeal of sustainability is more prominent than ever. Many homeowners are now looking for ways to enhance their living spaces while also being environmentally conscious. Woodworking offers a unique avenue for achieving this, particularly when using reclaimed materials. These projects not only breathe new life into old materials but also create stunning, one-of-a-kind pieces that can transform any home. Moreover, many of these creations can be sold for profit, turning a passion for woodworking into a rewarding venture. When considering reclaimed materials, the first step is to identify what is available. Old furniture, pallets, and leftover building materials can often be found at local thrift shops, yard sales, or even your own garage. The beauty of using these materials lies in their history and character. Each piece tells a story, and when transformed, it can add a unique touch to any room. This process also encourages creativity. You never know what ideas will spark when you see a piece of wood that has the potential for something beautiful. One popular project idea is to create decorative wall art. By combining various reclaimed materials, you can craft stunning pieces that serve as focal points in living rooms or bedrooms. Simple geometric shapes or intricate designs can be constructed from different wood textures and colors, creating a captivating visual experience. Wall art not only enhances the aesthetic appeal of a space but can also be a conversation starter, showcasing your creativity and craftsmanship. Another excellent use for reclaimed materials is in furniture restoration. Old, worn-out furniture can be revitalized with a little effort and imagination. A simple sanding and a fresh coat of paint can turn a tired piece into a standout item in your home. Alternatively, you can repurpose furniture parts into new designs, creating unique items that fit your personal style. This approach not only saves money but also reduces waste, making it a win-win situation for both you and the environment. Creating functional home accessories is another fantastic way to utilize reclaimed materials. Items like shelves, storage boxes, and organizers can be crafted with ease, providing both utility and charm. These accessories can help declutter your home while adding a rustic touch that complements modern or traditional decor. Selling these functional pieces can cater to a growing market of eco-conscious consumers who appreciate the value of handmade items. Outdoor projects also offer exciting opportunities for using reclaimed materials. Constructing planters, garden benches, or even birdhouses can enhance your outdoor space. These projects not only beautify your yard but can also serve practical purposes, such as providing seating or supporting plant growth. As gardening and outdoor living spaces gain popularity, these items can attract buyers looking to improve their gardens in sustainable ways. In addition to decorative and functional items, creating custom signs can be a profitable venture. Personalized signs for homes, businesses, or events can be made from reclaimed wood, adding character and charm. These signs can range from simple welcome messages to intricate designs featuring family names or inspirational quotes. The personalization aspect makes them especially appealing, as customers often seek unique gifts for special occasions. As you delve into woodworking with reclaimed materials, consider documenting your projects. Creating content around your process not only showcases your skills but can also attract an audience interested in DIY home decor. Sharing tips and tricks through videos or blog posts can position you as an expert in the field and even open doors for monetization through ads or sponsorships. Networking with local artisans and participating in craft fairs can help promote your creations. Many communities are supportive of small businesses, providing platforms to showcase handmade items. Setting up a booth at local markets allows you to connect with potential customers and gather feedback on your work. This interaction can also inspire new ideas and collaborations, enriching your woodworking journey. In conclusion, transforming reclaimed materials into stylish home decor and functional items presents an exciting opportunity for both personal expression and profit. The projects you undertake can significantly impact your living space while also contributing to a more sustainable future. Whether through crafting decorative pieces, restoring furniture, or sharing your journey with others, the possibilities are endless. By embracing creativity and resourcefulness, you can turn scraps into style, making a meaningful difference in your home and potentially generating income along the way. Thank you so much for watching our video. We hope you found inspiration and valuable insights to fuel your woodworking journey. If you enjoyed the content, please take a moment to subscribe to our channel, as this helps us continue to create more engaging and informative videos just for you. Don't forget to hit the like button and share this video with friends and fellow woodworking enthusiasts who might also appreciate the beauty of transforming reclaimed materials into stunning pieces. Your support means the world to us and motivates us to keep bringing you fresh ideas and projects. Stay tuned for our next video, and let's keep crafting together.